Hello and welcome to Ek Umeed Help YouTube channel. In this video, we'll talk about how to download and set up the IntelliJ IDEA IDE for Java developer. I'm using Windows 10 machine and this is my 64-bit machine. So for this, just you have to go to Google and search IntelliJ and hit enter. Once you click on enter, you will see this page jetbrains.com. Click on this URL and it will redirect to this jetbrains.com/idea. Here you'll have to click on this download. You can see here IntelliJ IDEA. So just click on the download. You can see Java and other options. Now this will come up with this page, download IntelliJ IDEA. So here you have three options: Windows, Mac and Linux. I am going to use the Windows version, and in Windows we have Ultimate and Community Edition. So Ultimate is a paid version. This is a certain period trial free, and this one is the Community is the free version. So we are going to use the Community Edition. So this has some certain limitation. This will only be available for Java and core Java development. So if you want to do some Java double E and Spring, so that will not support. So you have two different options. Either you can use the exe or the zip file. I'm going to use the zip file. So once you select the zip file, this will redirect to the download page and it start downloading. So here you can see the IDEA 2021.2 is start downloading. I already have in my place. So let's cancel this one and quickly go to the my download folder. So here you can see this is my download that I already did that. And after that, once you have to click right click and extract all, you'll get this file. And within this folder, you can see a couple of things, right? Couple of other folders. Go inside the bin. Okay, in bin you can see IDEA here. This is the IDEA icon because of the icon type. This one is the IDEA application, and this is the IDEA 64-bit because this is an application and my machine is 64. So I will be using this one. So you just need to double click on this one. Once you double click on this one, this will start opening this page. So this is your IDEA IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition 2020.1. Okay, so it will take first time it will take few minutes to load this one, and after that probably you can do the some little bit configuration regarding your Java development. Okay, so we'll cover this one probably after once it is come. Okay, now you can see this is the page of the landing page looks like this. Here you can see create new projects. So before going to create new project, you can see here the configuration option. So just click on this and click on the structure for new project. Okay, so once you click on the structure for new project, this will come like this. And here you can see the option. Okay, so go to the project. In project you can see these options, project SDK, and right now I am having Java 11 version, so that is in my machine. Sometime you will not see any JDK here, so you will see something like no JDK, there might be. So in that case, if you already have a JDK download, go to the add SDK and the JDK option. Okay, and here you'll have to go to the download folder where you have the JDK install in your machine and select that one. And if you don't know how to install JDK, check out my Java JDK installation video for 11 and 14 I already have. So in my case the JDK is already there, so I can go and edit this one. You can change the name. Here the name is only 11. You can change it something Java 11 as per you need, and you can see this is the Java where it is picking. It is picking from this JDK folder till the JDK folders. Okay, so if you still don't have JDK install, click on the description, or I will add in the I button. You can check out from there. So this is the one thing you have to do, and click on OK after that. And second thing what you can do is go to the import setting. No, sorry. So you'll have to go to setting. Okay, go to setting. In setting you can see couple of options, like go to this edit. In edit, go to general, in go to auto import. Okay, auto import. In this, if you see anything like if these two button is checked in yours, you can just uncheck these two button, and then go to okay, come to this code folding. Here in code folding, uncheck the general import, and then one line method, just uncheck this closure, uncheck this generic construct, one line method, uncheck this one and apply. Okay, and click on OK. Once your setting is done, then you have to click on the create new project. So when you click on create new project, this will come like Java, and this is your JDK version. You don't need to do anything. Click on next. Here this will ask you like create a project from template. I don't want to right now, so I'll not check. I'll just click on the next button. Here you'll give the name of the project. Let's suppose I'm giving hello Java. Okay, so if you see hello Java, this will create a project, and here you can see in this location, see this and project idea project, and then hello Java. This will create in this location. You can change according to yours, I mean location of the project. So probably let me pick this one. I'll use my, suppose I'm using my D drive in this software, or in this Ek Umeed help. Okay, Java session. I'm using this Java session, and then I'll put hello Java. So make sure the name you will use like camel case, and the project name always start with capital letter. These are the standard, and if you have two different word, make sure don't put a space. Always use the, remove the space in between, and then click on the finish button. So this will ask directory does not exist. This it will create. So okay, you can click on the OK button. So once you click on OK, you will land up with this page, and this is your project, and this is known as Project Explorer. You'll get some tips. You can close this one, and here you'll see like the hello Java project is created. Okay, in this you can see one idea folder, and then you have an src. Click on, right click on this src, go to new, and click on the Java class, and here you'll have to give the name of the Java. Let's suppose I am giving AUMEED, Akumeed help. This is my name of the Java class, and click on the class. Once you click on this class, this will create public class Akumeed. Okay, now you can see this is your class, and class has public is a keyword, and another is the keyword is a class, and this is the name of my class. You can change the name according to your requirement, and this is the left and right parenthesis or curly braces, you can say. And this is inside this, whatever you write inside this class, this is called body. This is called class body. So that comes under this class. So my class name, you can see here, this is a symbol of C. That means this is the Java class with the symbol of C. C indicate that this is a class, and public is the keyword that is used for the accessibility, like what is the scope of this class. That is, if it is a public, then that means This is accessible everywhere. Anyone can access this one. And the class is the name or a keyword used before the class name to create a class. So in this way, you can create a simple Hello Java project in the IntelliJ IDE. So IntelliJ IDE is you will get a better feature, more feature as comparison to the Eclipse, but both are good. In industries, many of the company are using Eclipse, many of them are using IntelliJ. IntelliJ is a paid version and Eclipse is the open source. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, you can ask me or comment me. And if you're really interested to learn the core Java concept, I have started a batch and that is a free session. You can join my Telegram channel and you can ping me on that channel. I will add you into that session. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe.